welcome to Bearden Productions Center for the Arts. This is our culinary classroom. Bearden Productions Center for the Arts. This right here leads into the Pearlie Mae Bearden Black Box Theater. Here are the few of the shows that we've done. This is the set from the last show that we did right before the show we were in the middle of doing right before COVID hit, which was The Ugly Duckling. We still have our little setup. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Today is Saturday, October the 24th. Angelina and I are here at our downtown art center, and we are getting ready to post this morning some of our costumes online. We have so many costumes that we've had from various shows and everything, so we've started out our morning, posting or taking pictures for costumes that we're going to post online. So she came up to help me. Angelina, say hello to everyone. Hey. Yeah. All right, so that's what I'm going to be doing this morning and for the rest of the afternoon. We're just going to be taking pictures of costumes and getting ready to post them online to help get some extra income in for our nonprofit. And so you guys, you can watch. Okay, so we've taken photos of all of the costumes, we've priced them, and so now I'm gonna go home and list them and get them ready for online sale. If any of you are interested in any of the costumes that I have up, just let me know, and let me know as soon as possible so I can send them out to you. But yeah, we need to get rid of these costumes, and our nonprofit, we need to make funds for this month. We're in COVID right now, so we're doing what we can to keep up. But I think we are ready to go. I miss being in my space. I miss having classes with my students. I just miss stuff. I miss stuff. You ready to go, Angelina? Yep. All right, well, we're all done here. It's time to go home and list these costumes. Hey everybody, today I am doing such a quick and simple recipe. This is so easy. You literally just season this, put it in the oven, and let it go, and you've got a delicious side. I'm making cabbage steaks. That's right, seasoned cabbage steaks. It is so quick and so easy. We are having leftover chicken wings, and we're gonna have some cabbage steaks with them. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make them. All right, we're simply going to cut these into thick slices. Right here still has all this delicious cabbage around it, but you see the core is still in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I cut that out. We're still going to go ahead and use this because there is too much goodness all up in there. So next we're going to add olive oil to these. Let's drizzle these with olive oil. Rub that in really good. All right, guys, now know that you can season these however you like. Today, I'm gonna be using my homemade all-purpose seasoning for these, okay? So just sprinkle your favorite seasoning on there, any type of all-purpose seasoning. If you want to make it Italian style, you can do an Italian style seasoning, however you like. But I love my homemade all-purpose seasoning, so I'm gonna use that today. want to season it liberally because you want this to have some good flavor, okay? Really, really good flavor. And in here is garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, oregano, a little bit of thyme. Oh, so much good stuff. Okay, and then we're gonna turn it over and season the other side. Same process, olive oil. And all-purpose seasoning. Now last, I have some melted butter here. I'm going to drizzle some melted butter over the tops of each one of these. Now I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. All right, guys, cabbage steaks are ready. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Isn't it fabulous? And y'all, it tastes good. I'm sorry, I've already had a taste. I ain't gonna lie. I've had a taste and it is absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. The cabbage is tender. It's seasoned so good. It's buttery. Oh my goodness. Perfect side dish to any meal. Any meal. I'm telling you. What do you think, Angelina?
Oh.
She's speechless. But it was fabulous. It's so easy, guys. I mean, you could cut up your cabbage steaks, season it, put it in the oven, and then start doing preparing the rest of your dinner. By the time you're done with that, cabbage steaks are ready. So easy. Definitely a winner. Definitely something your family's gonna love. Hey guys, so dinner was fabulous. I had some leftover, like I told you guys, leftover chicken wings and my cabbage steaks. They were so delicious. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go upstairs and get me some rest right now. And I was contemplating whether I wanted to share this or not. And my young daughter reminded me that this is a vlog. She reminded me that this is a vlog and that I should share. So anyway, when Angelina and I got home today from the center and I was getting ready to get changed and get ready to start posting our costumes and everything online. So I walk into my bedroom and there's this huge bag sitting on my bed, a huge gift bag. And I open it up and my husband bought me something I have been wanting all my life. And I'm just so giddy right now because it was so unexpected. Y'all, God is so awesome. and that's the reason I decided to go on and share it, because God is awesome. Not only did he say he would supply all of our needs, but in his word, he said he would give us the desires of our heart. Not necessarily the things that we need, but this was something I desired and had always wanted one. And I'm just so grateful. But he went out and purchased me my very first authentic Louis Vuitton handbag. Y'all, I'm so excited. I wanted one of these for the longest, but you know, I've been putting my business ahead of pretty much everything, you know, that I want. So, you know, spending money on expensive handbags and things like that, I was not about to try to do it, nor was I going to ask my husband. But he knew this was something that I wanted, and I'm just so grateful. And I just thank God for blessing me with the little things. You know, this I don't think this is little. Don't get me wrong. This is not little. To me, this is a big deal. I know some people out there have Louis Vuitton collections, but I pour everything, all my finances and everything, into our nonprofit. So I don't splurge on things like handbags. So for him to go out and surprise me with this, I was just elated. I'm so happy. So I just wanted to share that with you all. The Bible says, rejoice with those who rejoice. So I know I've always been happy for my friends and things when they are blessed with the items that they desire. So I just wanted to share that with you all. How good God is. God is, He's awesome, and I just thank him. Well, guys, I'm getting ready to go upstairs and rest. My neck and shoulders are really hurting. I've taken an ibuprofen, and I'm hoping it's going to kick in really, really soon. So I'm going to go get me some rest and also do a little bit of work on my computer. I'm going to start posting these costumes and things. So thank you guys for joining me for today's vlog, and I will talk to you tomorrow. I pray that you have a blessed and a prosperous evening. Until next time, sincerely, Legenia. Bye.